Alright, this is a video review of the 418ZE Power Clear by Toro. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm using the camera attached to a snowmobile helmet so I can free up my hands for this. Obviously you can see it's a very, very small machine. I got a giant machine for giant snow, but what I found is most of my snow is 1 to 3, 4 inches maybe, and big machines just really a ton of work. Great for deep snow, not great for this stuff. Obviously this guy here got the paddle design. It's kind of like a tire, you know, like a radial or something with good dense fiber sewn into there. Hopefully that means it's going to last a good long time. All manual. There's nothing electric here except for the start. The 418 does have the electric start, which is here. I'm not going to use it. Now this has been cold since I used it before, so we're going to get a pretty good idea of how it starts cold. Prime it a couple times. Once with a choke on. Once without. Quite want to take off there. And let's see what it does. what you're seeing here, a lot of this snow is old snow that was driven on. I mean, you can see that's ice. Tracks here. I mean, we had all 3 vehicles driving on this for several days now, so I didn't expect that stuff to come up. Plus, you can see I've got the exposed aggregate driveway, which is a lot harder to get clean because of all the little space in between where the snow can rest. But generally speaking, it did a pretty good job of cleaning up here, you know, where I've gone over it. I think if I caught it the first time and kept it that way, then it'd probably stay pretty darn clean. And that's actually why I got it. That big one was just too much trouble for me to get out here for 2 inches of snow. But that's really fast, really manageable. I'm not going to be sore. I didn't take a beating doing it. Really easy to get the snow where you want it. And I mean, you know, for light homeowner use, residential plots, you know, that's a great little snowblower right there. I do recommend that you use some kind of fuel treatment on all of your small gas equipment. I use Startron. It's the stuff in the blue bottle. Works unbelievable, but at least stable or something like that. There's so much ethanol in the fuel now, really they're saying fuel for small machines like that is good for about 30 days before it starts to gel up, especially in the colder temperatures. So if you want to keep your stuff running, your weed eaters, your lawn mowers, your line trimmers, chainsaws, whatever else, yeah, definitely add some fuel treatment anymore. You can't get away with regular fuel for longer than a month or so. It starts to degrade pretty quickly. Anyway, I hope you liked the review.